The 357 Magnum Revolver holds a storied place in the pantheon of firearms, renowned for its formidable stopping power, versatility in ammunition choice, and a distinguished history that spans decades of law enforcement, recreational shooting, and self-defense use. Among the best 357 Magnum revolvers, models stand out for their precision engineering, reliability under pressure, and ergonomic designs that cater to both novice shooters and seasoned marksmen alike. These revolvers combine the classic allure of wheel gun aesthetics with modern technological advancements, offering users a range of options from rugged, service-ready workhorses to finely tuned precision instruments. In this exploration of top-tier 357 Magnum revolvers, we delve into the characteristics that elevate these firearms to the pinnacle of performance and desirability, highlighting their unique blend of power, precision, and timeless appeal. So in order to help with the decision of selecting what is best for you, we have compiled a list of 7 best 357 Magnum revolvers that includes all the features important for you to know. You could also find a more detailed analysis and comparison tool on our website, validsurvival.com. Number 7. Dan Wesson 715. Dan Wesson revolvers stand out for their innovative design that allows for easy barrel swaps. By simply screwing the barrel into the frame and adjusting the cylinder gap with a shim, users can quickly adapt the revolver for different uses, whether it's a compact 2-inch barrel for concealment or an 8-inch barrel for precision target shooting. Among these, the Dan Wesson 715 model, crafted in 357 Magnum stainless steel, embodies the zenith of the brand's engineering. It features a 6-shot capacity, a 6-inch interchangeable barrel, ergonomically designed rubber grips for a secure hold, and finely adjustable target sights, all contributing to its hefty 48-ounce weight with a 6-inch barrel installed. This model preserves the iconic Dan Wesson cylinder latch mechanism, enhanced by an adjustable black target-style rear sight and a serrated ramp front sight for optimal accuracy. Operated by a transfer bar firing mechanism with a clockwise rotating cylinder, the 715 is known for its precision, a hallmark of Dan Wesson revolvers, aided by the unique tension system between the frame and barrel nut. Packaged in a protective hard case with space for extra barrels and tools, and manufactured in New York, the Dan Wesson 715 is the preferred choice for enthusiasts seeking an exceptional double-action revolver. Number 6. Colt King Cobra Target. The Colt King Cobra, a medium-frame double-action revolver, has earned its reputation among law enforcement and firearm aficionados for its robustness and adaptability. Initially available in a range of finishes, such as blued and stainless steel, and various barrel lengths, this revolver is exclusively chambered for 357 Magnum rounds. It boasts features like premium carbon steel build, large grips, an enhanced target hammer, and a precise sighting system with a fixed front and adjustable rear sight, enhancing its accuracy. In 2019, the King Cobra made a comeback with a 3-inch barrel showcased at the SHOT Show. Building upon the original, the King Cobra Target model introduces improvements, including a 4-inch barrel and adjustable sights for refined shooting accuracy, featuring a fiber optic front sight for better visibility. The design is streamlined for performance, with a full-length underlug and a recessed muzzle crown to optimize shooting experiences. This model accommodates a 6-round 357 Magnum cylinder, incorporates an enlarged trigger guard for use with gloves, and is fitted with wooden grips that enhance both its look and functionality. The King Cobra Target is designed for shooters who prioritize precision and dependability, setting a high standard in revolver craftsmanship. Number 5. Smith & Wesson 686. Introduced in 1981, the Smith & Wesson Model 686 is a versatile double-action revolver that has become a classic choice among shooters. Chambered for the powerful 357 Magnum cartridge, it also accepts 38 special rounds, offering flexibility for users. This stainless steel firearm, an evolution of the Model 586's blued steel finish, is part of S&W's L-Frame series, designed to endure the demands of the .357 Magnum. Available in various barrel lengths from 2.5 to 8 inches, including both standard and performance center custom options, the Model 686 caters to a wide range of shooting preferences. The revolver comes in configurations of 6 or 7 shots, with the 686 Plus variant featuring a 7-round cylinder. Adjustable rear sights enhance accuracy, and while earlier models offered adjustable front sights, recent versions include modern grips for improved handling. Special editions and custom modifications, such as the power port for reduced muzzle flip, highlight the Model 686's adaptability and enduring popularity in the competitive shooting and home defense arenas. Number 4. Ruger Super Redhawk. The Ruger Super Redhawk stands out as a robustly constructed revolver with an overall length of 13.2 inches and a weight of 53.5 ounces. It offers versatile dual chamberings. The 44 Magnum model is compatible with 44 special cartridges, while the 454 Castle model can use 45 Colt cartridges. This flexibility not only reduces shooting costs, but also allows novices, or those sensitive to recoil, to enjoy the revolver without excessive strain or expense. Equipped with a hammer-forged barrel, the Super Redhawk offers improved accuracy and durability. It comes standard with a Hogue Tamer monogrip, featuring an internal recoil cushion, effectively managing the recoil from powerful 454 Castle and intense 44 Magnum loads. Its relatively short barrel also makes it a practical choice for holster carry, even during various activities. Despite its formidable power, the Super Redhawk remains enjoyable to shoot and is a reliable option for defense. Number 3. Chiappa Rhino 40 DS. The Chiappa Rhino, produced by the Italian company Chiappa Firearms, revolutionizes the revolver category with its forward-thinking design and reduced weight. Constructed from a single piece of high-tensile aluminum alloy for the frame and durable steel for the internal mechanisms, the Rhino delivers a distinct firing experience. Its innovative lower bore axis, which enables firing from the cylinder's bottom chamber, significantly diminishes muzzle lift and directs the recoil straight into the shooter's wrist for better control. The Rhino's external lever, unlike traditional hammers on revolvers, is designed solely for cocking and internal hammer, minimizing external moving parts and mass. It accommodates a variety of cartridges, such as 357 Magnum 38 Special, 9mm Parabellum, and 40 S&W. Notably, the Rhino features a hexagonal cylinder to streamline its silhouette for easier concealed carry, and includes an accessory rail on versions with barrels over 3 inches. Its lightweight aluminum frame, coupled with the option for single or double action operation, makes it exceptionally manageable. Equipped with adjustable fiber optic sights and a 6-round capacity, the Chiappa Rhino melds classic revolver characteristics with contemporary technological enhancements, setting a new standard for shooting accuracy and comfort. Number 2. Ruger GP100. The Ruger GP100 distinguishes itself as a robust double-action revolver, adept across a spectrum of uses, from the great outdoors and home defense to law enforcement duties and precision target practice. Crafted from hard-wearing stainless steel, this revolver's medium-heavy build and triple-locking cylinder are engineered for unwavering accuracy and enduring durability, even when firing powerful .357 Magnum rounds. It boasts a full-length rib that supports the installation of interchangeable front sights, alongside fully adjustable rear sights for pinpoint accuracy. The inclusion of a Hogue monogrip and an extensive ejector rod shroud plays a significant role in mitigating recoil and muzzle rise, thereby improving handling and precision with successive shots. The GP100's smooth operational dynamics, steadfast performance under adverse conditions, and straightforward maintenance, requiring no tools thanks to its solid frame and uncomplicated disassembly, render it a reliable companion for any scenario. Further enhancing its safety profile is Ruger's patented transfer bar mechanism, which prevents accidental firing. Overall, the GP100 is recognized for its durable design and considerate features, securing its place as a trustworthy and enduring piece in any firearm collection. Number 1. Kimber K6s. The Kimber K6s emerges as a notable contender in the concealed carry arena, prioritizing reliability and compactness without compromising on aesthetics or functionality. Kimber's dedication to design has yielded a revolver that is both eye-catching and user-friendly, featuring controls that are intuitive and a trigger that ensures a smooth operation. With a durable stainless steel frame and a sleek brushed finish, the K6s is built to withstand the rigors of daily carry, particularly with the .357 Magnum cartridge. Weighing in at 25.1 ounces and measuring 5 inches in height, 7.62 inches in length, and 1.39 inches in width, it stands as the slimmest 6-shot .357 Magnum revolver on the market. Its design incorporates white 3-dot sights and finely checkered walnut grips, alongside a versatile double-action single-action trigger mechanism. The Kimber K6s balances admirably, easing managing the recoil of full-power .357 Magnum rounds. Its 6.1-inch sight radius aids in achieving exceptional accuracy, making it a preferred choice for those seeking a reliable and highly concealable .357 Magnum revolver. This balance and design effectively reduces muzzle rise, further enhancing the shooting experience. The best .357 Magnum revolvers epitomize a perfect blend of power, reliability, and versatility. Whether for self-defense, law enforcement, or the sheer joy of shooting, these revolvers stand out for their superior craftsmanship and performance, embodying the legacy and enduring appeal of the .357 Magnum caliber in the firearms world. However, getting the best .357 Magnum revolvers is quite challenging when you have plenty of models available on the market with a decent design and innovative features. All the products mentioned above are a perfect blend of versatility and innovation, providing the users the best in-class experience. Choose wisely which product suits you the best and will fill all your requirements. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.